Welcome back to KK Autos, your ultimate destination for premium car content. Today, we're diving into a true masterpiece. A vibrant green vintage sports car with bold red, orange, and white racing stripes. A car that perfectly blends retro charm with undeniable style. Let's take a closer look at the exterior and appreciate every stunning detail of this head-turning beauty. Starting at the front, the classic round headlights stand tall and proud, giving the car that unmistakable vintage sports car look. The bold racing stripes, perfectly aligned, flow across the hood and accentuate the car's aerodynamic shape. Notice the sculpted hood design, smooth yet aggressive, hinting at the car's sporting pedigree. And let's talk about the stance, low, wide, and confident. This car demands attention, whether parked or cruising down the street. The mirrors and door handles are simple yet functional, staying true to the minimalist design language of classic sports cars. As we come to the rear, the car's bold and elegant design continues. The taillights maintain that classic round shape, mirroring the front headlights and tying the look together. The rear bumper features subtle lines, and the racing stripes flow all the way to the back, giving the car a cohesive, striking finish. Side profile shot. Moving to the side profile, the car's lines flow effortlessly from front to rear. The bright green paint job is vibrant and glossy, reflecting the light and showing off every curve. Those racing stripes continue along the sides, adding energy and movement to the design. Now, let's step inside and take a look at the interior. The cabin stays true to its vintage roots with a sporty yet minimal design. The front seats feature premium leather upholstery and a bold retro color palette that complements the exterior. The dashboard is a masterpiece of simplicity, and classic analog gauges, a sleek steering wheel, and chrome accents bring back that old-school charm. Every detail, from the seats to the polished controls, adds to the car's luxurious feel. The vintage alloy wheels complete the look, perfectly balancing style and performance. The exhaust system, though discreet, adds a hint of sportiness, promising a sound that matches its bold appearance. Overall, the exterior screams retro performance and timeless style, a perfect mix of nostalgia and elegance. This car doesn't just turn heads, it stops people in their tracks. Its vivid color palette, combined with classic proportions and racing heritage, makes it a true standout. A car like this isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a celebration of an era where style and performance ruled the roads. If you enjoyed today's detailed look at this classic masterpiece, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to KK Auto, and turn on notifications for more stunning car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.